apply the material to a part and create a custom material in CATIA. So to make that, see, you have created a simple part in CATIA, and first we'll see how to apply the material. Here this is icon, and this is the icon for adding the material. You can just add from here, and when you click on that icon, the default material library opens up, and here you are having different types of material, fabric materials, metals, other painting, shape, stone and wood. You can apply whichever you want. And remember, in CATIA you can apply material at two different levels. That's the part at the part level and as well as the part body level. If you apply to the part body level, you will not be able to see that material in the bill of materials when drafting after the assembly or the part. Okay, and it will not be able to estimate the mass and all over that. If you apply to the part, you will be able to estimate the mass and see the material in the bill of materials in the drafting from this part. So you have to select this part, that is the what are the part name will be given, the that name will be appearing over here. Select this and select the material which you want to apply, and then click on apply and then click on OK. And now you can see the material has been applied. Suppose if you are not able to see the appearance, if it is like this or any other appearance even after applying the material, just go over here, and here you will see the option called shading with material. Just click on that one, you will see the shaded appearance of the material you have applied. And now let us see how to create a custom material. So we'll go to start, infrastructure and material library, and here we'll click on new material, and a new window opens up. And here in the feature property tab, go to the feature property tab and enter the name. Suppose I want FE410W, and the same name will be appearing over there. And here there is a different option for rendering. You can just choose the appearance, you can just change the appearance. Afterwards also you can change, and here also you can change. And if you want, if you're doing it for the analysis purpose, for the new material you have to manually enter the Young's modulus, Poisson's ratio, density and all. Now we are not going to do for analysis, so we are not going to touch it. So if it is made of any composites, you have to specify the material type, unidirectional, anything like that you have to specify. And after that we are going to click on apply, and then OK. You can see that FE410W, and you have to save this. So it will ask you to save. Now when you try to close this window, it will ask to save. So we will save this, and we have to save it in a location. Say now I'm going to save it in the desktop. Remember the file location FE410W, and I'm going to give the file name and save it. And now we'll go and apply the material back again over here, and here you'll see the option called open material library. We'll open that, click on that, and we'll go to the file where we have saved, and we'll click on open. And you can see this family is there. And now again I'll select at the part level, and I'll select this material and I'll apply. Now you can see how it is applied. And that's it guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and comment below for any suggestions. Thank you.